This video is about Binance Crypto Red Packet. You can claim up to 25 USDT from the offer, and I will share some tricks to increase your chances. Let's get started. At first, open your Binance app. Tap on Wallets. Select the funding wallet and click on the Pay icon. Now, tap on this banner. Click here to create your crypto box. Create any amount of crypto red packets. I'm creating it for 400 people. After creating your red packet, click here to boost. I'm creating one more box. After creating the box, tap here to share the crypto box. You can copy the code by clicking here. Also, you can click here to copy the box code. Now, go to the homepage and tap on the Binance Live icon. Select any live and share your crypto box codes. Copy it and go to another live. You can also earn the free crypto box from Binance Live. One person has already claimed my crypto box. If your crypto box claimed by 25 people, you will get 0.5 USDT. Then, 1.5 USDT for 100 people. 6 USDT for 400 people. At last, 17 USDT for 900 people. Thanks for watching the video.